Chile Verde Carnitas. Full recipe is on our website. The taste works. Chile Verde Carnitas is a slow-cooked Mexican-style pulled pork in a tangy, spicy, flavorful green sauce made with tomatillos. Get a boneless pork butt or a trimmed pork shoulder and cut the meat into 2-inch pieces. Season the meat with dried Mexican oregano, cumin, pepper, and salt. Set aside and let marinate. Prep the tomatillo, onion, and jalapeno. Char them in a pan. No oil is needed. It should look like this. Now it's time to make the tomatillo green salsa. Go grab a food processor. In go the charred vegetables, garlic, fresh Mexican oregano, cilantro, and the juice of 1 lime. Process until blended. Do it in batches if it doesn't all fit. Add in the canned green chilies, hatch chilies if you can get them. Process again until incorporated. Sniff. Now it's time to brown the pork. Heat up a pan with plenty of oil and brown the pork on all sides. Keep checking. The pork doesn't need to be cooked through. We are just developing flavor. Get a nice crust. It should look like this. Transfer the pork to a deep pan, casserole, or Dutch oven. In goes the tomatillo salsa, 1 can of beer, and chicken stock. Give it a nice mix to make sure the sauce is everywhere and the pork is evenly spread out. Sniff. Braise in a 375-degree oven uncovered for about 3 hours. You want the liquid to be gently simmering. The sauce will reduce and expose the tops of the pork. Sniff. The exposed pork should further brown and caramelize. Adjust the liquid to accomplish this if needed. The pork is ready when it comes apart easily with a fork. Now it's time for our dish medley. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe and follow us on Instagram if you like this video. COVID-19 shut down our restaurant, so now we're food blogging. Stay tuned for more.